So this is our last test in the series of our tests for hydrocarbons to identify our unknown. So the tests, we're going to do Ligroin test first and then water test. The whole idea is that it's a solubility test. There's a popular saying in chemistry that says like dissolves like. So a polar solute will dissolve in a polar solvent, and a non-polar solute will dissolve in non-polar solvent. So in these substances, we have degrees of solubility. We know that we are testing our knowns, which are hydrocarbons, but some are more soluble in a polar substance than the other, and some are more soluble in a non-polar substance than the other. We know that water is polar, and we know that Ligroin is non-polar. So I want you to pay attention to the solubilities of each of the knowns, the hydrocarbon knowns and the unknowns in water. Pay attention to the solubilities of the hydrocarbons and the unknown with Ligroin. So we're going to do the Ligroin test first. That is why I have two sets of tests. The first test is going to be for the Ligroin test, and the second is going to be for the water test. So first, I will start with Ligroin. So this is still our hexane, and I'm going to put 10 drops of Ligroin. Ligroin is a non-polar solvent. Okay, so I've added 10 drops of Ligroin into each of our samples. So I'm going to mix. Okay. So I have mixed Ligroin with, this is hexane. So what do you think with respect to solubilities? What you're looking out for is hexane soluble in Ligroin? Are there two layers? So take another look. Now this is cyclohexane in Ligroin. Do you see two layers? Is it soluble? If there are no two layers, then you have cyclohexane being soluble in Ligroin. Make your determination. Come up with your observation. Now this is toluene. I added toluene to Ligroin, or added Ligroin to toluene, sorry. So, is it soluble? Do you see two layers? Or is it homogeneously mixed? It's toluene homogeneously mixed with the Ligroin. Now lastly, this is the unknown in Ligroin. Is there solubilities? Okay, so I'm now going to put all the 4 test tubes side by side so you can make your observations. So the first test tube to my left is hexane, followed by cyclohexane, followed by toluene. Lastly, the unknown. Are these unknowns soluble in Ligroin? Is the toluene, cyclohexane, hexane soluble in Ligroin? Make your observations. Remember, you're going to write down your observations in your report. And we're going to go to the next test, which is the test for water.